Hi, good evening. Welcome to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and the key levels to watch out for. Nifty hits all-time highs and has closed the week at around 21,890 zones, which is absolutely positive and has been trading around 52-week highs. The momentum has been building on towards 22,000 and 22,250 zones. Bank Nifty too has held on to the supports of 46,800, 47,000 zones and has been consolidating between the zones of 46,800 to 47,700 zones for the week and has closed for above 47,700 zones, which is also showing a positive momentum for the week. What next? Nifty major supports is placed at for 21,450, 21,300 zones, and Bank Nifty major supports is around 46,800 followed by 46,500, 46,300 zones. Overall, the trend remains up and trend remains bullish, and Nifty and Bank Nifty is gearing up for new highs, followed by Nifty IT, which has shown exceedingly positive momentum and has been supporting the index and has outperformed both the indices for past 10 to 15 trading sessions. That's all for now. Hope our updates is helping the investors and traders in taking their investing decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. Thank you, happy investing and safe trading. Happy weekend and wish you all a happy Sankranti to you and your family.